Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Cantonese ebook before it's gone.
Hi everybody, my name is Marie. Welcome to the 2000 Core Cantonese Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is 會計 accounting 會計 accounting 佢哋喺度睇緊啲會計文件 They are looking at accounting documents. 佢哋喺度睇緊啲會計文件。花紅 bonus 花紅 bonus 年尾花紅 Year-end bonus 年尾花紅 Hang light hang light 我鍾意呢個背囊好輕I like that this backpack is very light. 我鍾意呢個背囊好輕。長號 trombone 長號 trombone 吹長號Play the trombone. 吹長號出發 departure 出發 departure 出發日期 departure date出發日期到埗 arrival 到埗 arrival 到埗嗰陣申請 apply upon arrival 到埗嗰陣申請小提琴 violin 小提琴violin 拉小提琴 play the violin 拉小提琴地球科學 Earth Science 地球科學地球科學 Earth Science 地球科學研究 Earth Science Research 地球科學研究科學Science 科學Science 科學教科書 Science textbook 科學教科書藥方 prescription 藥方 prescription. 記得帶張藥方去藥房。Remember to bring the prescription to the pharmacy. 記得帶張藥方去藥房。Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or phrase in English. Respond in Cantonese, then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say accounting? 會計 and how to say bonus? 花紅 What about light? Hang Do you remember how to say trombone? 長號 Let's try departure. 出發 What about arrival? 到步 Now, let's see if you remember how to say violin. 小提琴 Another one. What about earth science? 地球科學 Do you remember how to say science? 科學 And finally, do you remember how to say prescription? 藥方 Well done! See you next time! 再見!敏感 allergy 敏感 allergy 花粉敏感 allergy to pollen 花粉敏感登機票 boarding pass 登機票 boarding pass 請出示登機票 Please show your boarding pass 請出示登機票教育 education 教育 education 教育及訓練 education and training 教育及訓練英文 English 英文 English 鈴木先生教英文 Mr. Suzuki teaches English 鈴木先生教英文法律 law 法律 law 法律及秩序 law and order 法律及 秩序長笛 flute 長笛長笛 flute 我有一支長笛 I have a flute 我有一支長笛電腦技術部門 IT department 電腦技術部門電腦技術部門 IT department 打電話去電腦技術部門 Call the IT department 打電話去電腦技術部門公幹 business trip 公幹公幹 business trip 出外公幹 Go on a business trip 出外公幹市場推廣 marketing 市場推廣市場推廣 marketing 我係做市場推廣嘅 I work in marketing 我係做市場推廣嘅受歡迎 popular 受歡迎受歡迎 popular 佢好受歡迎 He is very popular 佢好受歡迎微不足道 insignificant 微不足道微不足道 insignificant 微不足道嘅數目 insignificant amount 微不足道嘅數目出名 famous 出名出名 famous 第三街有間好出名嘅書店 There is a famous bookstore on 3rd Avenue 第三街有間好出名嘅書店打乞嗤 sneeze 打乞嗤打乞嗤 sneeze 個女人喺度不停打乞嗤 The woman is sneezing non-stop 個女人喺度不停打乞嗤隨便 casual 隨便隨便 casual 今次聚會好隨便唔使特別打扮 This gathering is very casual Don't worry about dressing up 今次聚會好隨便唔使特別打扮吉他 guitar 吉他吉他 guitar 六弦吉他 six-string guitar 六弦吉他呼吸 breathe 呼吸呼吸 breathe 深呼吸 breathe deeply 深呼吸吐痰 spit 吐痰吐痰 spit 禁止吐痰 no spitting 禁止吐痰牙醫 dentist 牙醫牙醫 dentist 睇牙醫 see a dentist 睇牙醫蛀牙 cavity 蛀牙蛀牙 cavity 嚴重蛀牙 deep cavity 嚴重蛀牙哮喘 asthma 哮喘哮喘 asthma 哮喘吸入器 asthma inhaler 哮喘吸入器
Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Cantonese ebook before it's gone.